guys, welcome to Code with Kids and my name is Vedanti Namdar. So today we will play Among Us. So let's get started. So guys, you can see that I have opened the game and I will means there are three options: host, public and private. So in the private option you can put a code and play with your friends. Example, I put a code. You have to write it in capital letters like anything like this. So I want to play online. So I click on the option. Yeah, you can see. If you want to change your dress, you can change. Yeah, there is option. I can put a hat and I can put like this. So see, you can see the game is starting. Yeah, the game has started now. And there is a one impostor among us. Now you have to also do mission. If you do not do so, you will lose the game. So I will do mission.
Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am.
So you can see that there is a one mission. So I will do the mission now.
Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright.
I've done the mission now. So example, you see any dead body, so there will be an option like report. So on the right hand side there is an option report. So you can use that button to call a emergency meeting. See, somebody has called the emergency meeting. And there will be voting, means who is the imposter. Then there will be chatting. So now if you want to skip the vote, you can, there is an option like in the left hand side down. So you can click on this. Right, I have skipped the voting. Now you can see the voting has been done. You can see that means I have skipped the vote, so it will, an option will come. Yeah.
Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright.
And if you want to means you can scan yourself. Yeah, you can see that I'm doing a task. So now if you want to see the map, so on the right hand side up you can see a map. Yeah, see, and I'm here in the midway, you can see that. So now somebody is doing here mission. So I'll go to another room.
I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who.
There are no mission here.
Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold.
There are no missions in the game, yaar. Sure, there is one mission here. I will do that. We have got, and we have win the mission. So if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe, and if you if you want another game, so tell me in the comment box. So bye bye.